This is a 2013 Buick LaCrosse with the Ecotech in it. We got the 4-cylinder, and while we was driving on the freeway, the belt broke. We made it home, but it was some issues. So as you see, I took that off and sprayed it. The actually bolt on the pulley tensioner, this here, it broke, which caused the belt to pop off and shred and tear up, causing some little damage in here. I got the new belt wrapped around the bottom, but I didn't know that the tensioner piece was broke. I checked all the wheels to see if anything locked up, but come to find out, that's what happened. It popped, and that was it. So what I'm gonna have to do is go and get another tensioner, put it on there, and then we can put the belt on there. So this whole cylinder, this whole piece comes together in one assembly. I called AutoZone. They said they had it together for about $100 or so. So this whole assembly there. But I took the motor mount out just to give me a little more room. I really didn't have to, but it just gave me more room, and it's easy to put back on there. So I used the impact, which is here, to do it. So I got a guy over here now. He's over here helping me do it. Called a mechanic because the other place was going to be unreal amount. So I'm like, nah, I can't afford that right now at the moment, man. I'm willing to buy the parts, but I got to do it if I have to. And I called a guy that's a specialist, and we're going to do it together. So that's what I'm working on, a 2013 Buick LaCrosse, and that's the issue. It's not hard, but I do have a jack with the motor to jack it up a little bit to give me a little space over there. So that way, you know, it's good. And everything is smooth. Other than that, I don't have any issues, but that happened and caused a issue. So that's what we're working on. It has been an extreme headache, family. I cannot lie to you, but that's what we're working on right now. It's a 2013 Buick LaCrosse. So we're trying to get this figured out. I'll get back at y'all soon. Hold on. Yeah, man, I got